How long have you been living out on the streets for?
About 5 years.
What happened, if you don't mind me asking?
Someone I was taking care of passed away, and they had to have me removed from the home right away, and it was a mess. I never knew what happened.
So I recorded this in the car, but my microphone wasn't turned on. So I was driving, I look off to my left, and I see this woman carrying this big, huge bedding down the road with a backpack, totally overloaded. So I decided to pull over and help. And it took me a few minutes to find her once I pulled over, made a U-turn and all that, but I finally did. So here's that story. Hello, excuse me. Hi, I saw you walking with your stuff. Do you need anything?
I'm okay, thank you.
I have a bag with like wipes and some food and some drinks.
That'd be great.
Okay. Do you carry your stuff around like that all the time? Do you need something to carry it in?
That would be great if you had anything.
I have like a cart that you could pull maybe.
That would be perfect, thank you.
Okay, well, my name's Jason, by the way. I have a camera because I do YouTube videos and people donate stuff for me and I go out and help people.
Wonderful, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. What is your name?
Erica.
Erica? All right. There's a break in the fence. I'll walk it through over there to you, or okay? You're welcome. Okay, we're finally going to give this thing away, which is great. Yeah, it's used, but it works perfect. Somebody donated it to me, and so.
That's great.
Yeah, I saw you carrying your big old thing, and I'm like, she needs some help carrying that stuff.
So much easier, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Here's a bag. It's got like socks and stuff, and a bunch of food and drinks and soap and wipes and just all kinds of different stuff.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you need any other clothes? I have like a hoodie.
Hoodie. If you have any kind of pants.
I have sweatpants.
That would be great.
Okay.
I've been missing pants.
Okay.
That rain hit, it's been hard to recoup for some reason.
Yeah, do you need like a poncho for the rain?
That would be great too.
Okay, I've got a few things here. Okay, there you go.
Thank you. Oh, that's great.
And then I have some pants too. These are large. All I have is large or extra large,
That's
I think.
fine.
Do you just sleep outside or?
Yeah, I have a sleeping bag that's pretty good.
Do you need a tent or anything?
That would be wonderful if you
Okay,
have like a single person. Wow, thank you.
You're welcome. Let me see. Do you think this will fit you?
Yes.
Do you want a couple of those?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. How long have you been living out on the streets for?
About 5 years.
What happened, if you don't mind me asking?
Someone I was taking care of passed away.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And the family that came in to decide what was didn't agree with them. And they had to have me removed from the home right away, and it was a mess. I never knew what happened. I tried to stay out of it once it got mean.
Right.
But I've been on the street ever since.
Is there resources around here? How do you get food and stuff?
There's a food locker down the way for emergencies.
Okay.
We also have the human assistance.
Okay.
Yeah, when it gets too bad, I go to the library for like the wind and rain, and they usually have a plan there.
Is there, I know there's certain programs with housing and stuff. Have you been able to get on like a waiting list for anything, or?
I've been on the HUD waiting list a couple times. The thing is I don't have a steady address, and I haven't had a phone in about 2 years.
Okay.
So it's hard for the social workers to find me.
Okay. Do you have an ID?
No, that is one thing. An ID and a phone, you fall asleep, it's gone.
Yeah.
I don't know how they do it, but they wait till you're tired.
I just bought somebody a phone the other day and I got them 30 days of service. Is that something that would help you out if I could get one, or?
That's okay. Right now, it makes me less of a target.
Yeah.
If I'm not carrying certain things. It sucks, but it also keeps you safe, kind of.
Yeah, I get it. I understand. Well, let me get these.
But thank you so much.
No problem. I'm going to get you that rain poncho.
Okay.
Because I just got to figure out where it is. Okay. Here's a rain poncho.
That's great. Those come in handy for a lot of things.
Yeah, you can use it to keep a lot of stuff. Oh, the tent. I have a tent for you as well. Oh. These are underwear. Will those?
Oh, yeah.
I'll give you a couple pairs of those.
I appreciate that. And they are going to be happy to find them.
Somebody donated these, but I only have a few pairs, so I'm going to save a few for some other people as well. So
it's a rare thing to get around here.
Yeah. I know socks and underwear are like a huge.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay, I do have a tent on the other side. Let me just grab it. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, this should make things a little easier to carry here. So I saw you just with that big old thing of.
Thank you. It's as big as I am.
I know. Okay. God bless you. Okay. Oh, do you need a beanie or gloves?
Sure.
Okay.
I probably won't need the gloves, but
Okay, here's a brand new beanie too. I just realized I had those two.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Stay safe, okay? Well, hopefully that'll help out a little bit.
A couple more things. I just wanted to thank everyone for their support, all the comments. I try to respond to every single comment down below. I'm trying to add new things to the channel and to all my social medias. I have a new store. I have a new GoFundMe I started that will help me pay for all these things. If you want it to go to someone in particular, just leave that in the comment when you leave a donation, and I'll make sure to find that person. If I can't, it will go towards helping someone else. So no guarantees that I'll be able to find the person that you want the money to go to, but I will do my best, and we'll get it on video of me spending that money going towards something useful. So please check all that stuff out in the pinned comment or in the page description. Thank you guys so much. Check out our new shop. It has a bunch of new apparel with our logos and a bunch of cool stuff. Everything you buy will go to help people in need. So I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks.